The formula for calculating simple interest is interest equals the principal times the rate times the time frame, which can be written as I equals P times R times T, or I equals PRT. If we want to solve for time, we can modify this equation by dividing both sides by principal times rate, P times R, and we get the formula time equals interest divided by principal times rate. As an example, let's say that someone borrowed $1,500 and paid $288 in interest. The simple interest rate was 6.4%. How many years was the loan for? Using our formula of time equals interest divided by principal times rate, the principal or initial amount borrowed was $1,500. The interest paid was $288, and the rate is 6.4%, which we must convert to a decimal. And to do that, we move the decimal 2 places to the left to get 0.064. So we have time equals $288 divided by $1,500 times 0.064. $1,500 times 0.064 equals $96. And then $288 divided by $96 equals 3. And the dollar signs cancel out. So the loan was for a time period of 3 years. The previous example turned out nicely to be 3 years. But this isn't always the case. For instance, using the last example, what if the interest paid was $240? In that case, we would have $240 in the numerator and would get an answer of 2.5 years, or you could say 30 months. Since the formula gives us a result for time in years, and many times we need the time in days or months, to convert it to time in days, we would multiply the result by 365, and for the time in months, we would multiply the result by 12. As an example, let's say that Tom deposits $9,000 in an account paying 6% simple interest and earns $320 in interest. How many days did the depositor earn interest? And how many months did the depositor earn interest? Using the formula, the principal was $9,000, the interest paid was $320, and the rate was 6%, which again we must convert to a decimal. And we do that by dropping the percent sign and moving the decimal 2 places to the left to get 0.06. So we have time equals $320 divided by $9,000 times 0.06. And $9,000 times 0.06 equals $540. And $320 divided by $540 equals 0.593 rounded off. And the dollar signs cancel out. So 0.593 represents time in years. And to convert time to days, we multiply our answer of 0.593 times 365. Which equals 216 days rounded off. So the money was on deposit for 216 days. Next, to convert the time to months, we multiply our answer of 0.593 times 12, which equals 7.12 months. And here are a couple more examples on the screen for you of how to solve for time in simple interest problems. All right, my friends, hopefully you got something out of this video. I do have more videos right there for you. Till next time. I am out of here.